Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English A by Cantab publisher. Letter B and stamp integration. S-T-E-M. Stamp. S stand for science. And in ECE, science means to observe. T stand for technology. E stand for engineering. And in ECE, engineering stand for construction or to build something. To build. M stand for math. It means to count or to compare. For example, we are having letter A and the book shows that we have vocabulary words of bag, balloon, banana, then there is song of a letter, story of a letter, action of a letter. What we can do for stamp integration? The teacher can ask student to observe bees around them. She can ask them to look around themselves and observe bees around them. Or she can give them a banana and she can invite them to observe the shape of a banana. For technology, she can play this song or she can play the video related to the jolly phonics of letter B, and she can invite student to sing the poem with her or with the video. Engineering means construction or to build up. The teacher can ask students to use Play-Doh to make up balloons. She can ask them to make up bananas. She can even ask them to make up bags, or she can give them blocks to construct a building or a bridge. M stand for math, means to count or to compare. She can ask the student to count the things given in the book beginning with the sound B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things. Or she can ask them to compare the shape of a bat with the shape of a ball. Thank you.